If you've ever heard of the company Blackwater, then you're familiar with the concept of a private military or private security force. Governments, companies, and individuals hire these private forces for their own use and protection. Your own body has a very similar private security force made up of many different factors, which work together to protect and serve against foreign invaders that are trying to kill you. This security force is so large that it is subdivided into many different parts, two of which will be covered in this lesson. Before we continue with this lesson, an introduction must be made to the founder of your private security detail. His name is Edward Jenner, and he was an English physician who is known as the father of immunology. Jenner developed the very first vaccine, and his work led directly or indirectly to billions of lives being saved around the world. The security force Jenner is the founder of isn't called Blackwater. It's called the immune system. This is a collection of organs, tissues, cells, and molecules that protect against pathogens. The organs and tissues of the immune system can be thought of as the buildings your security forces need to use to protect you. The cells are the individual security guards inside those buildings, those patrolling the roads between buildings and those on the front lines, while the molecules are the guns, bullets, and communication systems the private force uses to protect you. On the front lines, there are pathogens your security forces protect against. Pathogens are everything from parasites to fungi to bacteria to viruses and even haptens, which are molecules that may cause an immune response when attached to a protein, but not on its own. A famous example of the latter is a substance called urushiol that is found in poison ivy. Regardless, the pathogens your little soldiers fight against are sometimes really small, such that a few little soldiers can kill them off, and sometimes really big, to the point of needing an entire squadron or platoon of soldiers to be sent to kill the invader. As I mentioned before, there are many different groups and subgroups of your security firm. It's a really big organization, one that probably costs hundreds of thousands of calories per year to maintain and keep the soldiers well fed. There are two main divisions of your private force. The first is called the innate immune system. This is the first line of defense against pathogens, also called the non-specific immune system. Basically, this is a large contingent of barriers like skin and soldiers or cells that is always on the front lines, always patrolling, always shooting anything and anyone on sight. They're not specific. They don't pick and choose whom to kill. They just shoot to kill without thinking. If it moves, they will attack it. They also react very quickly and are present almost all over your body at all times. This is in contrast to the other large section of your immune system called the adaptive immune system. This is an immune system specific to an antigen and generates immunological memory. In essence, this part of your security force isn't the army soldier patrolling the streets, killing any intruder on sight with a fast response, as the soldiers of the innate immune system are trained to do. No, here it's a bit different. The soldiers of the adaptive immune system are like the special forces. These special